A membership site is one of the most durable income models available to any creator or expert. Not a one-time product sale. Not a service contract that ends when the project is complete. Recurring monthly revenue from an audience that values ongoing access to your expertise, your content, and your community. The difference between a membership site and every other income model is the compounding effect. Each new member adds to your monthly revenue without replacing a previous one. Your income grows as your membership grows, and continues even when you take a weekend off. Most people who would benefit from building a membership site never do. Not because the idea is wrong. Because the execution feels complex. Choosing the platform. Creating the content. Setting the price. Finding the first members. Managing the ongoing delivery. AI makes every one of these steps significantly more achievable than they appear from the outside. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. What a membership site actually requires before building anything. A clear-eyed view of what a membership site actually requires to work. A membership site needs a specific audience with a specific ongoing need. Not a general audience interested in a broad topic. A specific group of people who face a recurring challenge, want to develop a continuing skill, or value access to a specific type of content or community that they cannot easily get elsewhere. It needs a consistent content or value delivery rhythm. Members pay monthly because they expect to receive something of value monthly. The frequency and format of that value delivery needs to be sustainable for you to produce and genuinely useful for them to consume. And it needs a price that reflects the ongoing value delivered rather than a one-time transaction. Monthly membership pricing works best when it is low enough that cancellation feels unnecessary and high enough that the delivery is taken seriously by both the creator and the member. Ask Claude to help you define all three of these elements before building anything. A membership site built on a vague audience, inconsistent delivery, and incorrect pricing will struggle regardless of how well the platform is set up. Stage 1. Defining your membership offer. The most important decision in membership site creation is defining exactly what members receive and why that ongoing value justifies a monthly payment. Give Claude your expertise area, your target audience, and the specific ongoing challenge or aspiration that connects them. Ask it to help you design 3 different membership models, one built around content, one built around community, and one built around coaching or direct access. Content model: members receive regular new content. Articles, videos, templates, guides, or tools delivered on a consistent schedule. The value is in the accumulated library and the ongoing additions. Community model: members receive access to a curated group of peers facing the same challenges. The value is in the relationships, the shared learning, and the accountability that comes from being part of a specific community. Coaching or access model: members receive direct access to you, through group calls, office hours, or a private messaging channel. The value is in the personalized guidance and the ability to ask questions and get answers from a genuine expert. Most successful membership sites combine elements of all 3. Ask Claude to help you identify which combination fits your expertise, your available time, and your target audience's primary need. Stage 2. Building your content foundation. Before launching, build a content foundation of 8 to 12 pieces that members access immediately upon joining. A new member who finds nothing beyond a welcome message will cancel within the first month. A new member who immediately has access to 8 to 12 substantial pieces of useful content will stay long enough to form a habit of engaging, and habits drive long-term retention. Ask Claude to plan and write the first 12 pieces of content for your membership. Give it your topic, audience, membership model, and the ongoing challenge members are trying to solve. Ask for a content plan covering the first 3 months, existing content for new members and new content for continuing members. Claude writes the first draft of every piece. You review, personalize, and refine. The content foundation takes 2 to 3 focused weeks to build. Stage 3, setting up the platform and pricing. Choose the simplest platform that covers your needs. Several free-to-start platforms allow you to accept monthly payments, host content, manage your member list, and communicate with your community without technical complexity. Ask Claude to write every piece of member-facing copy. Your sales page. Your welcome email. Your onboarding sequence for the first 7 days. And your monthly content delivery emails. For pricing, ask Claude to help you think through the value equation from your members' perspective. What would they pay for a single coaching session, and how does ongoing monthly access at a fraction of that cost compare? What are comparable memberships in your niche charging? Start at a price that feels slightly uncomfortable. You can always offer founding member discounts without setting a permanent price floor that undervalues your work. Stage 4, finding your first members. The fastest path to your first 10 members is your existing network and any audience you have already built. Ask Claude to write a launch announcement for every channel where your audience currently finds you. Each announcement should be specific about who the membership is for, what members receive, and what the founding member offer is, a price or benefit available only to people who join in the first 30 days. Your first 10 members are the most important you will ever have. They establish the community tone. They provide social proof that makes the 11th and 12th members comfortable joining. And they give you real feedback before your membership grows beyond your ability to respond personally. Over-deliver for your first 10 members. Their testimonials, their continued membership, and their referrals become your most powerful marketing. Your action plan starting today. Define your audience, your delivery model, and your pricing with Claude today. Build your content foundation this month. Launch to your existing network before the month ends. A membership site generating $500 per month from 50 members at $10 each is a realistic first goal. Achievable within 90 days of starting properly. What topic or expertise area would you build a membership site around? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clear path to building a recurring income membership site with AI, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.